Hello, I am Victor Cuartas, and I am an instructor in practical ministry and missions. I am originally from Cali, Colombia, South America, and hold a DMin in leadership and renewal, and an MDiv in missiology from Regent University. I also hold a BS in agricultural engineering from the universities of Valle and National in Cali, Colombia. I earned a degree in missions and leadership from Christ for the Nations Institute in Dallas, Texas. Furthermore, I received a theological degree from AFLET in Cali, Colombia. My wife, Isabel, is also from Colombia, and we have been married for 15 years. We have one miracle daughter, Eliana. I have been involved in pastoral ministry and church planting for nearly 20 years. My doctoral dissertation is focused on leadership among the Hispanic community. The Hispanic Leadership Certificate Program was designed in response to a need for training and equipping Hispanic pastors and emerging leaders. The HLCP assists pastors and leaders to become more effective in reaching the Hispanic community through a program that is based on Jesus' model of leadership. I am fluent in both Spanish and English and have ministered extensively throughout the United States and also in countries such as Peru, Ecuador, Venezuela, Guatemala, El Salvador, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Canada, Spain, and Morocco. My personal hobbies include soccer, jogging, camping, and traveling. I enjoy missions, pastoring, preaching, teaching, and organizing projects as a way of fulfilling God's calling on my life to teach biblical principles that transform people's lives. I am passionate about networking and partnering with different denominations to advance God's kingdom. I am the founding pastor of El Mundo para Cristo, Church of God, serve as executive director of Comina, and I am currently the director of research and equipping. Comina is a missionary movement that mobilizes the Hispanics in the United States and Canada for ministry to the unreached people groups. I am the author of Empowering Hispanic Leaders. Regent University is a great place for you. It is a Christ-centered institution, multi-denominational, with a diverse faculty. One of the most important values of the School of Divinity is the advancement of word evangelization and discipleship, which are primary biblical mandates. The school is also committed to the following core values: spiritual formation, leadership development, excellence, and practical training. I hope that you will choose Regent to pursue your degree. May the Lord richly bless you. Thank you so much.